Welcome to Hustle Tech University School of Technology. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit, cut, or slice audio or video footage within the free video editing software called Shotcut. Let's go. First of all, let's get the legalities out of the way. Hustle Tech University is not affiliated or sponsored by Shotcut in any way, shape, or form at the time of this video publication. Hustle Tech University School of Technology, back at you with another one. My name is Jesus CAIN, independent artist and creative designer. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials, show us some love, like the video, make yourself at home, subscribe to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to cut, edit, or slice audio or video footage within the free video editing software called Shotcut. All gas, no brakes, we going in.
Hustle Tech University's how to cut, edit, or slice audio or video footage in Shotcut. The first thing you want to do is either bring in or open up an audio or a video file. I have one here in this player. Shout out to uncledaddyssoulfood and adult beverages on YouTube. I have a lot of amazing soul food recipes as well as adult beverages. So please check it out, like the videos, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Back to the video here. So I have my footage right here. So let's just play it, a bit of it, so you get a clue of what I'm talking about. This clip is actually 18 seconds long. Okay, so let's just say that I want just a portion of this video. I don't want the whole entire piece. Now this is where Shotcut is versatile. You can either cut, edit, or slice here in the player, or you can do it once it's down into the actual video track. If you want to do it here, you go either to the left or to the right and condense the video. Let's just say I want this portion. So we would just drag the cursor to right where it shows the actual drink footage. So let's go back to there. I just want the drink footage itself. So that happens about here. Right during that transition. Let's say I don't want that part. I've cut that out. And let's say I just wanted to play to the point where the second transition card comes into effect. So right before it changes to the actual video footage into this transition card, I want to drag the right hand cursor in just a little. Right before it changes. Now I have edited a portion of the video footage. It is no longer the whole 18 seconds. So now we're just going to drag the video footage onto the video track. And play. This amazing cocktail is an appetizer and a cocktail at the same damn time. Over that is soul food and adult beverages. Bloody man. Okay. Let's just go ahead and delete that. Now let's say that I want to do the same directly down on the video track. You can either edit, cut, or slice from the player itself, or you can do it down here once it's on the video track. Sometimes I like to do it that way because I can see the audio waveforms and I can get a closer cut to direct video footage. So let's go ahead and play the remainder. Remember, this is cut of the video. No, it's the whole part. Okay. This is So it starts to change about, let's see. Let's make this a little quicker. So the video footage starts to change right about here. So let's say I don't want to see any of the video card. I just want to jump directly into the video footage. So right here I have my playhead. I want to split right there. Left click. That splits this one single video track into 2 sections. Left click again. We make sure that there's a red outline around that box. Now we right click. I cut, and now I have removed that portion of the video. Let's go back and start it again so you get a clear idea of what I'm talking about. There is no longer that red video transition card. The video jumps directly into the footage and goes into the second video card. But I'm gonna show you how to cut that out as well. Okay, so we can see that the footage, the transition card starts entering around right around there. So let's go back just a little bit. Right about there, it starts to transition from the footage to the transition card. So let's say I want to cut that second transition card out. So you want to go right before the video footage transfers over. Right before you see the red transition card come in effect. Right there. So we're going to stop it right there. Now I want this video footage to just play directly from the drinks, and both of the transition cards are deleted. This is how you do it on the actual video track itself. You can do it either up here in the player or on the video track. We're going to do it right here. This is the part that I want to cut out. I have my playhead set where I want it to go out. I split there. That turns it into 2 separate tracks. Left click, highlight the selection I don't want, right click, and cut it out. Now this video clip contains none of the transition cards. Let's take a look.
Cocktail is an appetizer and a cocktail at the same damn time. Uncle Daddy's soul food and salt beverages. Bloody man.
Audio clips are done the exact same way in Shotcut. You just have to create an audio track in your player here. You can either edit it directly from the player, or once it's on to the actual audio track itself. And that is how you edit, cut, or slice audio or video footage within the free video editing software called Shotcut.
If you have any questions, any concerns, or comments about this Shotcut process or any other Shotcut tutorial that we produce, please leave them in the comment section below. Are you looking for quality equipment for your YouTube channel? Use the link that we provide in the video description box below, and we'll plug you in. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, and our channel may receive a tiny percentage of that transaction only if you make a purchase. We appreciate you in advance. I appreciate you hanging out with Hustle Tech University until the end of today's video. If you're looking for more software and tech tutorials and you haven't already done so, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, this is Hustle Tech University. My name is Jesus CAIN. Eat, grind, rewind. Until next video, deuces.